and gentlemen, I would now like to take this opportunity to introduce Ashwin's Carnatic vocal guru, Srimati Sugirtha Kala Kadacham. Srimati Sugirtha Kala Kadacham initiated her training under her vocal guru, Srimati Sandavati Nagaya, and her violin guru, Srimati Tanadevi Mitradeva. She furthered her training at Jaffna University, where she was awarded the title Isai Kalaimani. After teaching in Sri Lanka, she came to London in 1994, where she taught both vocal and violin at the Aruna Udayam Tamil School and Nalvar Tamil Academy, Saiva Munnetta Sangam, UK. Srimati Sugirtha Kala Kadacham founded Sangeethalaya, through which she has carried out several music concerts and has raised funds towards orphanages in Sri Lanka. She has accompanied as a vocalist in several Bharatanatyam and Mridangam Arangetrams, not only in London but across Europe. Since 1996, 41 of her vocal and violin students have completed their diploma. She is also gifted as a composer and a devoted teacher who passes on her vast knowledge with such loving care. Tonight, Srimati Sugirtha Kala Kadacham is conducting her 10th Arangetram in presenting Ashwin. Ladies and gentlemen, Srimati Sugirtha Kala Kadacham. Next will be the centerpiece of a Carnatic music concert, where the artist showcases his ability of improvisation and creativity. The Ragam Tanam Pallavi incorporates three main components. The first, the Raga Alapana, comprises of pure melodic improvisation, where the artist creates a mood and a foundation for the composition to follow. The second component, the Dhanam, allows further elaboration using rhythmic syllables. The Pallavi uses just one line of text and incorporates nirvals and kalpanaswarams to bring out all dimensions of the chosen ragam. Ragam Tanam Pallavi will be in Ragam Hindolam and Khanda Triputa Talam, composed by Ashwin's guru, Srimati Sugirtha Kala Kadacham. Percussion is the backbone of Indian classical music, and tonight we will have the opportunity to witness a special Taniyavatanam in the Guru Shishya tradition with Sri M. Balachandar and his 3 disciples. Thank you.
na dadana താനം 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 ആനം തനം തനം അനം തം തം തനം ആനം തനം തനം ആനം നം തനം താനോ ആനം തനം തനം താനം ആനം തനം തനം താനം ആനം തനം താനോ ആനം തനം താനം ആനം തനം താനം അനം തനം തനം ആ